Hey, young artists! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me! Today, we're drawing and coloring with our favorite friend, Colorful Excavator. We need black liner pen.
Hey there, kiddos! I'm so happy you're here to draw me.
Let's start with the driver's cab.
Ah, that's where all the action happens. I need a door on my cab so the driver can get in and out.
How about drawing some big, expressive eyes for our excavator? Oh!
Wow! Those eyes really bring me to life.
Now, let's draw the engine area. It's the heart of the excavator.
That's where all my power comes from.
Excavators have a long arm. That helps them reach high and low.
Yes, my digging arm.
Great job! Now, at the end of the arm, excavators have a big bucket.
To scoop everything up.
Let's not forget the track.
They help me move around on all kinds of terrain.
Let's color. Yellow. Orange. Peacock green. Light green. Blue. Violet. Pink. Red. Brown. Look at our colorful excavator. It's ready to dig and build anything we imagine. forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!